If you're struggling with weak or reused passwords, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to audit weak or reused passwords automatically so you can secure your accounts without the hassle. By the end, you'll have a streamlined process in place to protect your data. First off, why do you need to audit weak or reused passwords? The simple answer: they're a major security risk. Reusing passwords across different accounts increases your chances of being hacked, especially if one of those accounts is breached. Strong, unique passwords are essential, but it can be overwhelming to manage them manually. That's where automating the process comes in. Here's how to audit weak or reused passwords in a few simple steps. The best way to do this is by using specialized password auditing software. I've tested several popular tools out there, and I'll walk you through the one I recommend. Start by connecting your password manager or database to the software. Our software, which is linked below for a free exclusive trial, will automatically scan all of your passwords and highlight those that are weak or reused. The great thing about this software is that it not only identifies weak passwords, but also checks them against known data breaches to see if they've already been compromised. Once the audit is complete, you'll get a detailed report showing which passwords need to be updated. It's as simple as clicking a button to generate a strong password recommendation, and from there, you can update your passwords across the board. This process is much faster and more secure than doing it manually. If you're handling multiple accounts or have a team, this software also allows you to manage password policies, ensuring that every password meets the necessary strength requirements. It can even enforce multi-factor authentication, MFA, across your accounts, adding an extra layer of protection. Now let's go over the key takeaways. First, automating the audit of weak or reused passwords saves you time and ensures your accounts are secure. Second, using reliable software makes the whole process seamless, and I've included an exclusive free trial link in the description below, so you can follow along and see for yourself how simple it is. Third, regularly auditing your passwords is a vital step in keeping your data safe, especially in today's digital world. Before I wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software linked below. It's the easiest way to secure your passwords automatically. To quickly review, audit your passwords using software, get recommendations for stronger passwords, and secure your accounts with multi-factor authentication. This process will keep you one step ahead of hackers and data breaches. Thanks for watching, and make sure to grab that free trial in the description below. Stay secure.